This frozen pea soup makes a quick and easy weeknight dinner. The recipe takes only 25 minutes to make. The soup is delicious, healthy, and packed with veggies, and it's creamy without any dairy, so it's vegan and gluten-free. You only need 7 ingredients to make this soup, so it's perfect for days when you want to save yourself a trip to the grocery store. Frozen peas are one of our favorite budget-friendly hacks for packing more veggies into weeknight meals. They keep for up to 8 months in the freezer, and peas are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and vitamin C. This recipe uses 2 whole bags of frozen peas, so you don't have to worry about having a silly amount left over either. To make this soup, start by warming olive oil in a large pot. Then add diced yellow onion and saute until translucent, about 3 minutes. Add garlic, thyme, and sea salt. Cook until fragrant. Next, you'll want to add vegetable broth. Since this recipe has so few ingredients, each one really counts, so use a vegetable broth with great flavor. Our go-to is actually a bouillon concentrate. It tends to save you money because you're not paying to transport and package up water, and it saves space in your pantry because, again, it doesn't have the water added. All you need to do is add the water yourself when you're ready to use it. If you can find a vegan chicken broth or bouillon, that works best here, but another veg broth or even chicken if you're not vegan works too. Grated potato is going to help thicken the soup without any dairy, and because it's grated, it's going to cook in no time. You only need to boil the soup for about 10 minutes or until the potato is soft. Then go ahead and add all those frozen peas. You only need to cook them until they're bright green and warm through about 2 to 3 minutes. Frozen peas have already been pre-steamed before getting packaged and frozen, so they're pretty much ready to eat out of the bag. If you want to pack in even more veggies into the soup, you can add baby spinach and stir until wilted. The final step is blending the soup until smooth. If you have an immersion blender, you can blend the soup right in the pot to save on dishes. Or, transfer the soup to a blender and carefully blend until smooth. You may need to do this in batches. Season the soup with pepper and more salt if needed, then serve as is or garnish. We like to add a drizzle of olive oil, crispy croutons, and fresh thyme if we have any on hand. This soup is delicious served hot, but it's also surprisingly good cold. Hope you enjoy!